Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gio here, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use black bars. There's a very easy way to do this. You can just go to video, event, and pan and crop, and all you need to do is just hold shift, drag it down and on the top, and then do the same thing on the bottom, hold shift and drag it up, and there you go, there's black bars. But I do have some black bars you guys could use, so it's easier and you won't mess up sometimes. I got the Black Ops 2 Final Kill Cam thing, black bars. I got the regular black bars, there's thin ones, there's thick ones. These ones are kind of glitchy, but I'll put them in the pack anyways. I'll put the pack down in the description below if you guys want to download this for whatever reason. I'll put it in the description down below. It'll most likely be a Mediafire link. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. It was a pretty simple tutorial. That's it for this video, guys. Later. You meant the world to me.